Come around, smacking on that thing. Nice and wide. Stretching. Slip, trip. Ooh, ooh. Man, hit a knee drop on boy. He's killing him here, but there is evidence that he's losing balance if we come down here and look at this toe. Still got it, holding himself up. If you notice, his pants are around his waist as opposed to all the way on his hips. This is going to impede his ability to move in balance. Hop. Look at the stretching. Hey. But as we look, he's not completely stable on his toe as he's pressing into this back foot here. If you scroll in, I think we can see the real reason why he fell. Skating around in the corner, full speed, looking at the camera, hitting the Michael Jackson. One of the biggest causes of messing up a skate clip in the rink is getting excited and looking at the camera instead of focusing on your moves. He pissed right heel. That's all him, clear as day. It doesn't look like she even touched him, only picked her hands up. His ankle breaks. It's the way that he's transitioning from his heels back to his toes. He's doing it on both of his feet at the same time. So he's been able to get away with it with his balance, but cutting across the lane, trying to come across a person, moving and changing his speed. She doesn't make contact. She still hasn't made contact. Even if we look down at this skate, her foot that's forward is her left foot, his foot that's back is his right foot. So she's still probably in his pocket. This dude right here hit him with the Jay Lethal knee drop though. Bro got hit with a Mortal Kombat X3 attack.